In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Trade Republic. Now, the first thing you want to do here when you open up the app, you want to switch over to either Wealth or Cash up top, it doesn't really matter, and then you want to go down to the bottom right where it says Transfer, and you simply want to tap on Transfer. Now, from here, you want to tap on Send, and then what this will do here, as you can see, it's going to allow you to basically send to one of your accounts. Now, you can go ahead and select one of the accounts on your list here. As you can see, I have two of them, or you could add a new bank account by simply tapping new bank account and then adding the new one via the steps that are basically on your screen when you tap on that. Now, once you're ready, you can then come back over here and select the account you want to transfer money to. So, for example, I'm going to select this first one, and then here it's going to ask you how much you want to send. Let's say I'm just going to do 10 euros for this instance, and then what you want to do is simply tap on next, and when you tap on next, then on the next screen, you'll be able to see it's going to just show you the confirmation, and then there's going to be the send button in the bottom right, and that's all you have to do. So that's how to get it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.